Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade beef bone broth. First, gather your ingredients: beef bones, a few vegetables like carrots and celery, and some aromatics such as bay leaves and peppercorns. Roasting your bones beforehand at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes is key to developing a rich, deep flavor. This simple step makes a huge difference. Then, get your largest stock pot or slow cooker ready for the long simmer ahead. Once your bones are roasted, place them into your pot with the vegetables. Cover everything with cold water. This helps draw out more nutrients. Add about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which aids in extracting beneficial minerals from the bones. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, never a rolling boil. As it heats, you'll notice foam rising to the surface. Carefully skim this off to ensure a clear, clean broth.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy cooking tips. Quick recommendation: on another note, if you love reading, especially recipes or cooking guides, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
The magic happens during the long simmer. For the best results, let your broth simmer for 12 to 24 hours. A longer simmer extracts more collagen and nutrients, creating a gelatinous, nutrient-dense broth. Keep the heat low and consistent. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solids, leaving you with a beautiful, clear liquid. After straining, it's crucial to cool your broth properly. Let it come to room temperature before refrigerating. You can store the broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in airtight containers, leaving about 1 inch of headspace to allow for expansion. Ice cube trays are also great for freezing smaller portions, perfect for quick use in recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.